What's up, crypto smart investors? So for all the lovers of NFT, watch this video to the end as we'll be showing you how to sell your NFT on an exchange. And the exchange we are using today is Gate.io exchange. So some other exchanges have their marketplaces you can actually buy and sell your NFTs, but in Gate.io you can also buy and sell your NFTs in the Gate.io NFT magic box. Now, if you notice, once you hover your mouse on this particular menu here, it should bring up a drop down menu. All right, before we go ahead, make sure to smash that subscribe button right away to support our channel. If you have not registered on Gate.io, here is an opportunity for you to register. A whole lot of massive goodies waiting for you. Check the description and sign up with the link there right away. So coming down to NFT box, you should head down to what? My assets. So we've actually made a video before now where we bought our first NFT. Go ahead to watch the video right away. Now the asset that we bought will be found in my assets. So clicking my assets, you should be able to find your NFT collections. So I was lucky to have bought this NFT, right? What I actually did was I made an offer a little bit above the floor price, and before you know it, the owner actually accepted the offer and the NFT was sold. So here I want to resell this NFT. Let's see what it takes to sell the NFT. So this is my name and this is my asset. So you can just go ahead to explore this interface collection. Supposing I've added this NFT in a collection, it should show up here. Favorites, some of the NFTs that I've added in favorites should show up here. The likes, some of the NFTs that I've liked should show up here. Then the trades, some of the NFTs that I've traded. So this one I bought it for this amount. All right, so fee is 1% of that particular price and all that. So creator actually collect 10% for every transaction. Is all right. So I can file a complaint and I can do a whole lot of things. So bid history, offer record, and all that. So I've actually made an offer for one other NFT, and that one is still pending. The minimum amount of days that you can set your offer for is 3 days. Is okay. So this one has been done. It's a done deal. So in and out records, deposit, create NFTs. So deposit NFT, maybe you're sending NFT from MetaMask or from OpenSea, and you can create your own NFTs. Maybe we'll make a special video on how to create NFTs on Gate.io exchange. Yeah, our goal is to sell our first NFT on Gate.io exchange. So you click on the NFT and it should open up this particular interface for you. And the name of this particular NFT is what? Master Morris number 22. And the collection is what? Snake Guardian. All right, so I can decide to go to collection, but that's not what I want to do. So I can decide to flag this and all that. So this is the creator, power 2000, whatever that is his name, and this is the amount I bought it. So you can go ahead to list this NFT for sale. Once again, you can edit. What are we gonna edit? Okay, asset attributes. Well, you can do some other stuff to it, but that is not what we want to do. So we just go back to asset information. So right here, it's as easy as clicking what? Sell. So once it's on sell, you'll see what? Buy it now. That means you just put a fixed price that you want to sell this particular item. So buy it now. Payment currency, you can decide which currency you want to receive payment with. Sale price, so supposing I put 50 USDT, then that is what the person must buy it. If the person is not ready to pay that, then that means the sale or the deal will not go through. Remember, the creator actually gets 10% of every sale. That's just so crazy. So for 50 USDT, he gets $5. So it must be a very smart one. So the fee for selling this is 1%. So you end up receiving about $44 for your sale, because the whole of this $11 will be subtracted from the whole deal. right? So if you want to list it for sale, so actually once listed, the asset will be locked automatically. So are you sure you want to list it? So you can go ahead to say I'm sure, and the item will be listed for sale. So for auction, so I'm just giving us two options that we can use to list our item. So still the same payment currency. So supposing we maintain USDT. Opening price. Alright, so what is the opening price that you want to start selling this item? Let's say $200. Is that right? Then start time is starting immediately. Alright, then the end time it should end, let's say it should end in July 2022 at about the same date on July. Alright, then the margin. Auction deposit is required when bidders make their first bids. If the winning bidder cannot pay the full payment after the auction, this auction deposit will be used to compensate your loss. Is that right? Now, so when people are making auctions, there is a particular amount of money that they must have in their wallet, if not all. So what is the margin? Is that okay? So you can decide the margin should be what? 200. Okay, so in fact you cannot edit this, right? Because that is your opening price. So the reserve price, please enter the reserve price. If the highest bid is lower than the reserve price, if you don't set a reserve price, the highest bidder will get the good. So the reserve price, that is the lowest that this item can be sold. Supposing I go for what? $500. Now the thing is that if people are making a bid, the lowest they can start from is $200. Okay, now the reserve price is what? $500. So even though somebody bids for $200, if the price or the highest bidder doesn't eventually get to $500, the item will not be sold. So increment of bid must increase by a set. So increment of, let's say, $100 so that it will be first time. Then delay period. So this is the time period after if a bid is made within 3 minutes before the end of the auction, the bidding will extend 3 minutes starting from the last bid. So after someone has bidded, it will delay 3 minutes before the next person can bid. Okay, so this thing is just so interesting. So that is just the same way these things happen in OpenSea or any of the other NFT marketplaces. So we've made several videos on top NFT marketplaces, most expensive NFTs, how to trade NFTs, how to buy from OpenSea. Go ahead to check it out. Go ahead to check our different playlists. So once listed, the assets will be locked. Alright, so let's just see. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. The time interval cannot exceed 30 days. Okay, so let's come down to, instead of July, let's say June. And instead of 20, let us say 15. Is that right? Then we list. So I have to enter my phone password, and I should be able to go now. Phone password. So submit. Okay, listed successfully. Wow, is that not super crazy? Now, this is exactly how to sell your NFT on Gate.io. If you have not registered on Gate.io, here's an opportunity for you to do so. So I can go ahead to terminate this before this guy ends. If there are any offers, I'll be able to see it here. Is that alright? So it's very, very easy. Support our channel by smashing that subscribe button right away. Also like and share this video. Peace out.